Now, what are the motherfucking odds that I throw some shit on the same motherfucking day they having a goddamn police convention? Fuck them. Fuck they thought this was, nigga. Let's get it in. Hold on. This is beautiful. We might have to go over there. Definitely gonna have to go over there. Non-motherfucking yo, Queen. Let me pause this.
I'm surprised he made it this long.
Listen, I'm finna go over there.
Right, see, no.
Ain't nobody else here, is it?
Come on, let's talk. We haven't seen each other in a while.
Oh, yeah, before I, you know what I'm saying, go cause some trouble.
Oh, Lord. Right.